I'm convinced. I'm convinced you believe you a thug. You don't know no supers, my super what. Front don't know you. Matter of fact.
What's up, guys? So yeah, I guess we're beginning the 4AG 16valve assembly. So I'll be starting with obviously the bottom end, the block, the bought new bearings, bought new main bearings, I bought new big end bearings. The crank is polished, the block is ready. So yeah, guys, if I had a proper phone to take a video, I'll put the phone on a stand and then just record me doing the whole process, but then I don't have a phone to do that. This phone doesn't have a space to do all that, but I'll be doing, something and then pause the video, show you, and then continue doing something else, and then pause the video and then show you whatever. That's how I do, like how you saw all the videos of the project. So yeah, let's start with the block. Everything is here. Everything is here. Everything is here. Everything is here. These are big end bearings. Everything is here, guys. The gearbox is ready. So yeah, I'll catch you guys after I've done with putting the crank in shop. So yeah, guys, as you guys can see, the crank is in. Everything is locked in, tight spec. As you guys can see, we have a smooth rolling surface. New main bearings are in. Everything is in, as you guys can see. The main bearings are in. So probably tomorrow we'll be installing the pistons. As you guys can see, the big end bearings are here, ready to go. Yeah, I'll probably install the pistons tomorrow morning. As you guys can see, the rings are here, piston rings ready to go. And yeah, I guess tomorrow we'll be doing the pistons. As you guys can see, we have new plugs, new oil filter, and oil filter ready to go. But yeah, today we did the crank and the main bearings. Everything is in. Assembly loop on. Everything is on. So I'll catch you tomorrow when I install the pistons.